We all got told at some point in our life that there's a left brain and a right brain type of person. Sometimes people don't think in tech and innovation that these are artistic endeavors. But if you are making something that has never existed ever before, you are an artist.
Creating solutions daily takes an immense amount of brain power. They want to be more innovative, they want to stay relevant, but they're stuck in the old patterns and behaviors that just aren't working anymore. And they're just unable to move past egos and misunderstandings and confusion. This not only can tank a project, but it can tank entire teams. I use science and the power of play to help you disrupt the way you think, the way that you brainstorm, and the way that you work so that you can get better solutions faster.
Yeah.
So what I try to do is, from the very beginning, break down some of those barriers so that we can actually enjoy the activity of learning new skills together and learning about our team members. That's when we can really start to get into the good, gooey part of our work together, where we can take the challenges that were already there before anyone stepped into that room and start working on actual concrete solutions that then the team can take out of that room into the next week, into the next year to put into place.
I was working with Encyclopedia Britannica. I came in to help their team that was having trouble communicating across silos. Their engineering was not getting along with their creative, and both were not getting along with marketing. I had my grumpy senior engineer sitting in the back, hands crossed over his chest, and I had my super excited junior designer sitting right at the front. But something was definitely different because the room was full of things that we could play with and things that we could create. And through this free-form activity that includes storytelling and little world building, allows for ideas to come to fruition that normally would not be articulated. This is where the good stuff is. Because these are the ideas that weren't on the table last week. And these are the ideas that can get us to the finish line.
So it was wildly successful.
I didn't expect the level of group activity and inclusiveness that we all had.
And then she'll get you thinking, and then she'll get you laughing, and then she'll get you talking, and then she finishes again on this really high note of engagement.
Through this pathway, we're able to move through a system that allows for creativity and ideation, but in a very distinct way where we're constantly feeling safe and we're constantly feeling seen. When those things are being met, then we can really start to get brave and courageous with our ideas, and then sharing those ideas with our teams.